Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Grace here, back with another Soulful Summit. If you're new here, welcome to our little corner of the internet where we dive deep into the heart of life's many facets. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my friend. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something that might seem a little daunting at first, but I promise you, it's a journey worth embarking on. We're going to talk about embracing solo holidays and making the most of your own company. Now, I know what you're thinking. Holidays are meant to be spent with family and friends, right? They're about gathering around a table, sharing laughter and stories, creating memories. But what if I told you that spending a holiday alone can be just as fulfilling, if not more? When you spend a holiday alone, you're not just spending time by yourself, you're spending time with yourself. You're giving yourself the opportunity to reflect, to grow, to learn more about who you are and what you want in life. It's a chance to reconnect with your inner self, to listen to your heart's whispers, and to honor your own needs and desires. Embracing solo holidays is about more than just being alone. It's about celebrating your independence, your resilience, and your ability to find joy and contentment within yourself. It's about learning to love your own company, to appreciate the silence and solitude, and to find peace in your own presence. But how do you make the most of a solo holiday, you ask? Well, it's all about creating your own traditions. Maybe you start the day with a sunrise walk, or you cook your favorite meal, or you spend the afternoon reading a good book. Maybe you write in your journal, or you meditate, or you dance around your living room to your favorite songs. The beauty of a solo holiday is that you get to decide how you want to spend it. And remember, it's okay to feel lonely sometimes. It's okay to miss the company of others. But don't let those feelings overshadow the beauty of your own company. Embrace the solitude. Embrace the silence. Embrace the opportunity to be alone with your thoughts and feelings. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more soulful conversations. Your support means the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have you on this journey with me. So, my beautiful souls, as we part ways today, I challenge you to embrace your next solo holiday. Make it a day of self-love and self-discovery. Create your own traditions, honor your own needs, and find joy in your own company. Remember, you are enough, just as you are. Until next time, keep shining your light, keep embracing your journey, and remember, you're never alone when you're in good company with yourself. Peace and love, my friends.